morning, lovely kids. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and healthy at your home. Children, this is your English class and today we are going to learn about pronouns. Children, do you know what are pronouns? I am telling you, pronouns are the words that are used in the place of nouns. Okay? Like he, she, it, I, they, you, we, etc. Here we will use these pronouns with some examples. Okay? So let's start our today's class. Children, look at this picture. This is a boy. The boy is playing in the rain. The boy is very happy. Children, does it look nice to use boy again and again in all these sentences? No. Very good. So, we have another option. We can use pronoun he instead of using boy again and again. Let's do practice. This is a boy. He is playing in the rain. He is very happy. So children, have you noticed that I have used pronoun he in the place of noun boy? Let's take the next pronoun. Here is a girl. Yes, the girl is wearing a pretty frock. The girl is smiling. But instead of using girl again and again, we can use pronoun she. Like the girl is wearing a pretty frock. She is smiling. She is wearing blue shoes. So children, we use pronoun she in the place of a girl or female. Now look at this picture. This is a peacock and this is a lion. Children, in place of birds or animals, we use the pronoun it. So students, in the place of things also, we use the pronoun it. Like, it is a beautiful peacock. The lion is king of jungle. It roars loudly. This is my kite. It is colorful. I like mango and it comes in summer. So students, for the animals, birds, things, fruits, vegetables, we use pronoun it. But for only one thing, one animal, one bird. Children, always keep in mind, when we talk about plural nouns like persons, animals, things or places etc., we use particular pronoun they we. Children, we use pronoun I for me or myself only. Like, if this boy wants to say something about himself, he will say, I am a good boy. I study in class 1. I am a good singer. So, when we introduce ourselves or when we talk about ourselves, we use the pronoun I. But if we talk to someone, we will use pronoun you. Like if this boy is talking to this boy, then this boy will say, Hey Rohan, in which class do you study? Or where are you going? So, have you seen that we use pronoun you when we talk to someone and he is in front of us? I hope this concept is very much clear to you now. We will do our notebook work in our next video. Till then, bye-bye.